Hi folks, Jacopo from Dokin here. Welcome to a new video. If you're in marketing or operations, you're using on average 5 different software every day. Think about it. Your CRM, your marketing channels, your databases. Each has different sets of data that need to communicate somehow together to make some business sense. It's a problem that I lived on my skin for 7 years. Working in finance, I had to interact constantly with marketers, with sales teams, with operations, with strategy. And that's why we created Dokin. We created a single, lightweight hub where you can pull data from all your different software within the simplicity of your Google Workspace. With Dokin, you can pull out data from applications like HubSpot, Salesforce, your most commonly used marketing channels within your Google Sheets, your Google Slides, and your Google Docs. We currently integrate with more than 20 applications, including the most common databases, the CRMs, marketing channels, with more being added every day. We come with a web app and also an add-on that you can download directly from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Simply install it, and it's then available within your Google Sheets, your slides, and your docs as a sidebar on the right side. Now, today, I want to show you how you can use Dokin to pull live data from your HubSpot CRM, push it into Google Sheets, make edits, make additions to your records, and push everything back into HubSpot. So I'm gonna get started by clicking on Connect New Data. And I'll be redirected to a selection of all of our applications. And I'm gonna click on HubSpot. And I'm gonna create a new custom import. Now, if this was my first time connecting HubSpot to Dokin, I would have to link to accounts. I've already done that, so no need anymore. And I'm gonna choose Google Sheets as a destination for my import. And I'm gonna create for that a new file. I'm gonna call it Dokin HubSpot CRM video. And I'm gonna click on create. So now I'm gonna give it a couple of seconds to create the new file. And I can now start importing my data. So I can have a first preview of the data that I want to import. I'm going to call my import HubSpot demo. And I want to be able to pull all the pipeline of my deals. So I'm selecting as an object deals. And as you can see, Dokin pre-selects some of the fields like the amount, close date, deal's name, stage, and so on. I could edit that and add new ones if I wanted to, like currency, exchange rate, stuff like that. Or I could also associate data from different objects. So I could pull data that are associated with specific deals and that are coming from contacts, companies, tickets, and so on. I want to keep it simple for this import, and I want to just take my deals fields, and I'm gonna add a filter. I'm gonna only pull data that concerns deals for new business. And I can set up an automatic refresh. I could either keep a manual refresh or update it every month, every week, day, hour, or even every 15 minutes. When I do that, I can have an automatic backup at refresh. So a snapshot of my data is saved at a specific day and time. This allows me to go back if I need to. And I can have notifications via Slack or email every time data is refreshed. For this example, keeping it simple, so manual update, and I'm creating my new connection. And so as you can see, I have a new spreadsheet with a new tab called HubSpot Demo. And what I can do now, I could reassign, for example, every deal to a specific new owner. I could also change maybe some statuses, and I could create also a new deal, let's say. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do test deal number 4. I'm gonna change some of the data right here. I'm gonna call it existing business. I'm gonna do 30,300. And now I can write this data back into HubSpot CRM. I'm back into a preview. I can see the data that has been changed and exactly on which row and what type of data has been modified. I could only show, if I wanted, just the new records. And when I'm ready, when I'm fine with it, I can check this box, create new entries for records without IDs, and push everything back into HubSpot. So this data is now successfully pushed into HubSpot, meaning that my CRM is automatically updated with the data that I've entered here. And so it's super easy if you need to make bulk updates of different records into HubSpot or bulk addition of new records into your CRM. It's very easy to get started with Dokin. As you can see, we also have some free dashboards that you can use to get started and that are directly powered by your own live data coming from things like your Google Analytics, your Salesforce, or your HubSpot. We're looking forward for your feedback. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment or shoot it directly to us. We'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you very much.